Ever wonder how to get words on your cookies that are perfectly spaced every time? The tissue paper method will help. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So one way you can do it is to use a projector, but if you don't have a projector, you're going to want to take a very thin piece of tissue paper, the cheap stuff that you find at the dollar store, and you want to take an edible marker that has a fat side that's really, really wet, and you want to trace over your design using your edible marker. Make sure that the ink is going through to the back side of your tissue paper. And then you want to grab your cookie and your tissue paper and line it up where you want it, and use the thin side of your edible marker and go over that writing again on top of the tissue paper. Lift it up carefully without moving the tissue paper out of place and make sure that it is showing through onto the cookie. And if so, continue to trace over your design. And once you've finished tracing your design, you can either go over it again on the cookie with your edible marker, or you can use your icing and pipe over the top. And then you have a really cute design that looks exactly the way you want it. It's spaced, it's centered, it's a fancy font. And that's how you do it if you don't have a projector. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you later.